Do you plan to make money in 2024? If yes, then come closer, let's talk. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to 7 industries with huge potentials for wealth creation in 2024. These are the industries that will provide you opportunity to make real money. I mean, make real money. Probably in this outgoing year of 2023, you have struggled with some financial challenges and you are now trying to launch yourself into a new opportunities in order to overcome the financial challenges that you face in this outgoing year. So sit back as you see the industries that hold great potential for you to make real money if you are really serious about it. If today is your first day of coming across my video, my name is ND Moses T. I take courses on how to make money for beginners. These are beginners class. Courses that can help you to identify how to make money without capital, with little effort, just to start with what you have from where you are. So I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and to click on the notification bell so that whenever I produce a video like this, you shall be notified of it. Do not also forget to give this video a thumb up. Now let's go into the video proper. 7 industries with huge potentials for wealth creation in 2024. Number 1, agriculture. Agriculture holds high potentials because the demand for food can never win. Man look for food every time and man must eat. As they say, man must work. Go into agriculture, whether as a fish farmer, snail farmer, bee farmer, plantain plantation, palm tree plantation, cassava producer, anything that has to do with food production, go into it. Got either farming or animal husbandry, but in everything, get yourself involved with agricultural industry. Food must always sell. There's always demand for food, no matter how you look at it. Do not look down on agriculture. It's something that God used to start this world, and forever agriculture must be profitable. Then number 2, food distribution is just like agriculture, but in this case you are not going to get yourself involved with the cultivation process or whatever, but distribution. You are connecting the consumer and the farmers. You can get involved by providing transportation. You can get involved by going to where the farmers are. You source out for food, buy it from them, take it to cities and supply it to the consumers. It makes huge money. If you get into these villages where they are producing this food, you notice that it is very cheap there. You can now provide the transportation and bring it to city and you make your money. Bring anything to city, there is demand for it. That's not just the end of it. You can also do home delivery, food home delivery. Let people know that you can deliver it at their doorstep. They book for yam, they book for cassava, they book for oil, they book for plantain. You go to the farmers, buy it from them and deliver it to their homes. If people know that you can do door-to-door delivery of food products, man, you are good to go. And if they know that you are reliable, they will introduce you to other people. So food distribution is another thing that will make you money. People want food at their doorstep. If you can show yourself reliable, you will always make money out of food distribution. Then number 3, fashion. Fashion industry will always sell. People want to wear that which is trendy. When I mean fashion, I mean whether it is bag, headgears, clothing, kids clothing, ladies clothing, men clothing, anything that has to do with fashion. Fashion industry will always sell. Are you a fashion designer? Are you a fashion seller? Any kind of it. Fashion will always make money. You can also use dropshipping in fashion selling. So let me tell you, if you don't know what dropshipping is all about, I have video in this channel where you can learn how to start dropshipping without investing dime, and you build a successful dropshipping business. You can check for the link in the description below. Number 4, entertainment. Entertainment industry will always sell. Are you a comedian, a content creator, a DJ, or an MC? So entertainment will always sell because people are under stress. People want to cool off. Are you into hospitality industry? Is also under this entertainment. People want to cool off. People want to go to club. People are having weddings. People are having burials. People are doing parties here and there. So if you are in entertainment industry, either you are providing content or you are renting things that will help people to organize a victory party, or you are a good event planner, entertainment industry will always have clients. People will always call on you to help them to anchor their events, to organize their parties. So entertainment industry provide the opportunity also to make money in 2024. Number 5, education. When I mean education, I don't mean you setting up a school. No, I don't mean you trying to become a teacher in a school. No, when I mean education, education is providing the relevant information to the consumers who demand for it. It can be organizing seminars, it can be consulting services, any form of education, providing training, skill acquisition training. People are in need of skills. People are in need of information. You can provide training on any form of skill acquisition, be it digital skill, be it physical skill, be it product production skill. Provide education. Education also can be organizing tutorial for students who are preparing for exams like WAEC or JAM. It will always sell. Make yourself available to provide information. People are in search of information. Education will always sell. When people are in search of information, they are willing to pay anything for that information. Education also covers selling online courses, selling of books, selling of training and materials, seminars, organizing seminars and symposium. So if you get it right, education will make you money. Just go and check it. Sales of online courses is a multi-billion-dollar business. So in 2024, the quest for knowledge will be on the high side, just like the quest to get informed on the use of AI tools. Technology is evolving, so people are in search of education and knowledge in order to be abreast with the development in technology and in the society. So make yourself available as a teacher of a skill and a provider of information. Number 6, if you are a tech enthusiast, this is just for you. Cyber security. Listen, we have committed a lot to the cyberspace. Almost 80% of our lives is committed to the internet, and there are cyber criminals who want to take advantage of our data that is on the internet against us. Now, the demand for a cyber security expert is always on the hard side. As I'm talking to you, the job vacancy for cyber security expert has not been met 50%. So if you are tech savvy, I want you to consider going into cyber security. You don't even need to pay for so much for your training. There is Google cyber security training. You can go for it, you can check it out and get trained by Google. There's this Google cyber security course, and this is a training that you can get online. There are many online platforms where you can get trained on cyber security. If you can get yourself trained in cyber security skill, companies will be looking for you, banks will be looking for you, financial institutions will be looking for you, because there is a lot of hacking going on here and there. So cyber security industry is a multi-billion-dollar business. I encourage you in this 2024, get yourself involved with cyber security training. No matter what you are doing, you can also do the training by the side, still working on your job before you go full blown. Number 7, e-commerce. E-commerce has come to stay, and e-commerce is growing every day. Today, e-commerce industry worth over $23 billion. So what is e-commerce? E-commerce simply means buying and selling online. E-commerce covers affiliate marketing. E-commerce covers dropshipping. E-commerce covers multi-level marketing. E-commerce is so broad. You can go into it by setting up a e-commerce website. You can do it by just doing dropshipping. You can do it by being an affiliate marketer. You can do it by being a digital marketer. E-commerce holds the key for wealth creation in this digital age. People want to sit back in their homes and order for a mobile phone and get it delivered in their homes. People want to sit in their home and order for a product in China and get it delivered in their home. So I encourage you to get involved with e-commerce. You can choose your model of e-commerce and go into it. So in this channel, I discuss a lot of things about e-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, digital marketing. You can come back to this channel to check out for some videos that can help you to build a successful e-commerce business. These are 7 industries with huge potential for wealth creation in 2024. God bless and do have a great day.